I really enjoy going to swap meets and looking at all the fantastic pieces of stuff, cars. Well, actually, some of them are extremely nice, and the variety is cool, and possibilities are endless. Let's look into this one. Welcome again to Road Odyssey. This is part 3 of the Canton, Texas swap meet and car show. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. Yep, this is the third video dealing with the Henry Lewis Car Show and Swap Meet, Canton, Texas, in the crosshairs of Interstate 20 and 19. Just did part 1 and part 2 videos just previously. Now I'm looking at the show again, and we're going to begin looking at the swap meet cars that were there, and I think you'll kind of like this stuff. Let's get going. This first vehicle looks like a 1938 Plymouth Sedan with title and keys, $5,500. What do you think of that? I love walking around these old cars. Not sure that I want to breathe too deeply as I get closer to the interior, but they're just so huge and awesome. Although this one's got quite a bit of rust on it, it still looks like it would make a fantastic resto mod car. Would love to see this in the future. Now this beauty is a 1930 Model A. They're asking $16,000 or best offer. Etched glass, windshield wipers, very nice interior. The wheels and tires look great. The rumble seats well done. So this thing has been well kept. Don't know if it drives or not, but I would presume it does. If you're looking for a really old car to take to really fun car shows, this just might be a fantastic candidate. This beauty is a 1941 Chevrolet Saratoga. Me personally, never heard of it, but I don't know cars like most of y'all do. They're asking $35,000 or best offer. It has a 350 and a newer aftermarket transmission. It has air, modern front suspension, and really nice wheels. So no mechanical issues, nice paint job, great interior. Although I think some of the interior could have been done a little bit better. Still a fantastic car to take to shows and just enjoy on cruises. This F100 is not ordinary. It's a 1955 and it has a Camaro subframe and rear. Has a very nice running 350 in it. Lots of new parts. A cleared title, and they're asking $22,500. It's an exceptional truck, might be worth it. Look into it. When I saw this 1948 Ford Coupe, I just had to stand back a second. I have seen this car before. Matter of fact, I have a video about this very car from the past. I'll show you this thumbnail real quick. But anyway, 2-door sedan, Chevy small block 400, Camaro rear end, Camaro whatever, spindles, and it's just in really great shape. Foose wheels, pretty decent paint job. The paint job's getting older. The interior's pretty decent. Asking anywhere from $12,000 to $14,000 for this. You can find it on Facebook, and here's how I know that. And here's a interesting Galaxy 500, Ford Galaxy 500. Kind of like these cars. They're neat. Then I noticed this little guy, a 1969 Rambler. It's a roller, had the trainee in it. They're asking $1,000 or best offer. So kind of a neat car. You don't see these every day. So what is this silver monster? A Comet station wagon? Yeah, Mercury, maybe a 1960 Comet station wagon. Had a Cummins turbo diesel engine put into it. A magnificent job. The interior is pretty crazy as well. Very neat build. Oh, and there were a couple of Jeeps as well, as this 94 Jeep Wrangler, fuel injection, 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive, new seats, bumpers, shocks, springs, lift kit, tires, and wheels, and theoretically runs and drives good. Pretty cool. This really cool station wagon got some very long looks, not just because it is long, but it's a cool car. So it looks like it's from the 70s for sure. And speaking of the 70s, if not getting beyond, a 1979 Trans Am supposedly runs very well, asking $12,500 for this. Me personally, I love Trans Ams. I think they are fantastic cars and can make very interesting resto mods. And what is a swap meet without a hot rod? Well, this is a 27 Deluxe Roadster, Speedway body, Speedway chassis, a 350 in it. Title is available, $11,500. This is a pretty cool car. Walked around it, got some decent photos for you. Hope you enjoy this, as well as this hot rod pickup. They are asking $16,500 for this, and it looks like a pretty good work in progress. You could have a lot of fun with this thing for sure. Whether you rat it out or not, doesn't matter. Cool truck. So this is pretty much all I have that I really wanted to share with you from the Canton Swap Meet here in March of 2023. And there were just lots and lots of really cool car bits and pieces. I really enjoyed this sort of thing. Do you like going to swap meets? I just think it's cool just to see the old stuff before it gets fixed up. That's the charm to me. I want to thank you very much for watching my Road Odyssey video. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. And I do very much hope you have a fantastic day. Relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.